Aloha, my friend. This is Billy Wiggly with another Excel keyboard shortcut. And today, we're at beautiful Hanalei Bay, land of Puff the Magic Dragon, in beautiful Kauai, Hawaii. Hanalei Bay is a great spot for learning how to surf, learning how to swim, do a little bit of snorkeling, and surfing some big waves. Some of the biggest waves on the North Shore are located right outside Hanalei Bay in the wintertime. When you return from surfing, you want to take a nice dip in some nice, cool, fresh mountain water. Right behind us is a beautiful stream of refreshing mountain water to wash off that salt water right after you're done surfing. Whenever I'm hanging out here in Hanalei Bay, I can never make up my mind of exactly where I want to be. I wish I could just select over there by the pier all the way to the fresh water. In Excel, you can easily extend your selection. It's easy. Once you've placed your marquee at the beginning of your selection, hold down the Shift key and then click where you want to extend your selection to. Just like I'm doing on the screen recording. Hold down the Shift key, and then whatever cell you click on, that's where your selection is going to extend to. I wish we could do that here at Hanalei Bay. I'd extend my selection all the way from the waterfalls to the freshwater river. Remember, my friend, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.